Hey YouTube, welcome back to the new Revised channel. Basically, we had to go on even a little name change because in previous videos I was talking about the name is Looney Tuners, but since I seen there was another YouTube channel out there with the same name, went on even a little revision and basically we found our new name, Two Looney Specs. You know, you hear that? You hear it? Got a little ring to it, don't it? Don't it? But anyways, I also started an Instagram page called 2looney_media. It got a buzz. It got a buzz to it. I'm just telling you that right now. But yeah, the Instagram name is 2_looney media. Basically, I'll be updating the channel on there. So if you want to see everything that's coming to the channel first, go follow. And on top of that, when you go to the page, you're going to see a black car up there. All I'm gonna say is one of these days I'm gonna sit down and give y'all a true story time on what happened and what happened to that car basically. And on top of that, I'll give you another story time on the GS. Hence why the fender is missing, because it's up there. I'll tell you later on when I finally sit down and give it a true backstory on what happened to both of those cars. But anyway, also I'll be updating the E30 on there possibly soon. I might have a motor to go in the car, so if everything falls into place, we'll be getting started on my E30 build. And also there'll be a third car coming to the channel. I know you've seen it, glimpses of it in my two videos. You're like, what is that? What is that? What is that great thing in the back? We just call that the Mockingbird right there, basically. You know, I'm gonna just give you hints on what it is from right here and go from that. Basically, it's a 1987 E30 sedan, naturally aspirated. But when I say this thing is too sauce, don't run up on it because it will catch you with some gapple piece. That's all I'm gonna say. Anyways, in today's video, we'll basically be making progress on the gs300 build. Low life problem, man.
Get out of there! Get out of there!
Before?
Yeah, dude, my shit's bumping. No, bro. So bad. You want butter? Yeah. What are you doing? I gotta get that fucking converter. All in fucking out.
Same video, different day, but here's the cold start for you. I know it's a little rice, but work with me. same time. This build about to come together so smooth and so nicely, but in the near future, it'll be less rice on coming to the build. You know, it's going to be a little bit more saucy, as you'll say. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram for more daily updates on the YouTube channel. And that's all, folks.